back it up, and she not vex. No matter how hard me slap it up. Back shot, anything to please me.
She not vex no matter how hard they slap it up. Back shot, anything to please the man. People, go. What's up, youth? What's up, youth? What's up, youth? What's up, youth? What's good, YouTube? It's some boy. It's some boy. Harry Vlogs. AKA the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. What's up, YouTube? It's some boy Tyre Vlogs, AKA the reaction boss. I want back with another video for you guys. Like up the video, comment on the video to see your comment in the next video. I will post, and I'll post every single day. I'm gonna big up some people said speed and we chop already. Or know that go already now. You don't know what chop. Now what's on your react to? When you ready for this? Jahllano people. What's your name again? Expensive lifestyle. Come out a day ago. I'm open to watch it already because right now I'm gonna break it right down for you. You understand? Me sure to go on bad. Me see some girl in the video. People, we could big up some people. We have to big up to management first of all. We have to big up to Hilltop Entertainment, I don't know, Chap, and DI Media. Go follow them on Instagram. You understand, man? And I have to say, yo, for the main music video, the main music producer, Antonio EX. Sorry, that's something just for the TV. Big up Antonio, as me I say big up to Vibration Sounds and big up and set up for safety and thing. And then say big up to APKT Photography for the behind the scenes. I don't know, Chap people. Big up to everybody, as me I say. I'm ready for the video now. I'm ready. One more big up. I will see what's today. Big up to Kelly Beats and Richard Roach. You know, Richard Roach from Jamaica. But they say I didn't produce the song still. I don't know a chapter. You can see what I'm going for the song. Enough for that. I'm see no comments. Comment on the video, see your comment if you don't post. Make us see what I'm going for the video now, people. People, smoke at churches tomorrow. Rachun!
Hilltop Entertainment.
Serious, big up yourself. Big up Grenada one time. Yeah, me can't give up big ups. Big up Grenada, big up the whole of Trinidad, big up everybody in the comment section, big up the whole Caribbean. Alright. Go on still, Hilltop Entertainment. Fresh!
Yo, Kelly!
Range Rover. Oh man! You come to take with the whole of the boy them girl tonight. Fresh Air Force. I think I have Air Force in the dog. Hold on them. I think I have Air Force. I am in! Oh yeah! Hold on, now not Balenciaga, gonna that me attack. What have forces to? What have forces to? Alright! Oh, come on, no myself. Yep, I think what kind of shoes we have there. I'm there sad say. I think I have forces to. Go on!
Kelly on the beat, boy. I get me that man jump on every gun, pretty girl in a tongue.
Hold on. One girl that would want tattoo on her body. Me not. My kind of video this in a dog. Go on.
Girl up in at the mansion at random, said them want give me that grandson.
What?
I saw we live life every day.
Open at the mansion and upon a random, they must randomly want to them want give your father grandson. Hold on, dog. People. Go on. Big up yourself. We soon big up Grenada. Go on.
We live nice and that them no lie.
Yeah.
Monsters that crying while them a waste time. Call me
Well, this is a big up to Johnny Bravo to the more time music with this man in the dark. What on there? Is that Hilltop tie that? Hey, go up, me not even talk. We're not in the background. What on there? Me know she. The idea. What on there? Go on, sing.
Look how me pocket them cheesy. That's why me fuck them girls so easy. Tonight she
that pocket well cheesy. That's why I'm not them girls easy. I'm not telling the money in my pocket. I can't me walk with, so my pocket don't cheesy. I walk with cards, ladies. You understand me? I say, but the dog say, go on. I like what go on still. Go on.
Back it up, and she not vex. No matter how hard me slap it up. Back shot, anything to please me.
She not vex no matter how hard they slap it up. Back shot, anything to please the man. People, go. Like the video, you feel like get to it. You can't watch video right there, don't like the video. Like the video, you feel I think you're easy. Like the video, go on.
Man, I girl is from birth, just believe me.
Yeah.
So me don't need your girl, youth me got enough. Pum pum fat enough. Expensive life.
Lyrics. And the man I sing about the girl them fat smurf. And that's why I like that song. Paper. Song expensive lifestyle. I like it. Some expensive things I see I go on another video. I'm not like them girl you happen. Them girl you happen. Go on.
Lifestyle. Little top with the yak and the gun them tall but
no, that pause. That my girl have a tattoo on her body, dog. Like the tattoo on
gun
like
them tall but my pum fat enough. Expensive lifestyle. Little top.
sorry, me I sir. Me find it. And she have it. Me I gonna do little research. Come on and see what's going on, people. I can't Jahllano that upon her ass, dog. Now me glad for them at the research. No, we're not gonna live with it today. We'll find her. Oh, I go right. But Instagram, she name red_angel. Go look for her. Me don't talk. And she have a tattoo of Jahllano upon her body. Me don't talk. You can't go and go pray if you don't want to go pray. Me don't. Me find you get it. When you get the name, I tell you again. I'm gone. Go on, watch the video.
With the yak and the gun them tall but
Yeah.
my side. Expensive life.
I don't like what them female too extra close, you know. Something will go on another video out the people. Something's going on here, you know. Something's going on here, you know. We don't like that something there, you know. But go on.
Style. Little top with the yak and the gun them tall but my side. Yeah.
I kiss them, just kiss. I can't kiss them, kiss all like. I kiss. You see them too bad, you know. I mean, I go want on the Instagram. But go on.
Every day my mind on the income.
Yeah.
Got a lot of mouths to feed in my kingdom.
Yeah.
And me not beg no handout.
Shit.
Go get
Every day you mind upon the income. Got a lot of mouths to feed in the kingdom. The man make you know say one kingdom him living in. But you know what me I go do right now? You see them two girls like what they kiss and face them get way. Me I go look for them Instagram. Me soon forward. And we are making video still play. Cause man them want to hack them. No. The man them want to hack them. No. The man them want to Instagram them. No. You have to go follow me on Instagram too. Tyrekevlogs. Go over there right now. You know it chop. You know where that go. Anyways. I go find them. You know, go in and search. Woo! Talk to me! Talk! Oh! Sorry. Well for the girls. Well for the girls on Instagram. Alright. Oh, we found them. So people, the two females, man them, make sure you get to know pen and paper already. The two females that was kissing peoples. Man them. Ready? First one, at. How you pronounce that name, Femi and Fierce. Second one, Nugs that oh. Me not even gonna spell it out for you. Figure it out on yourself. Me gone back on that video, you mad? Me like this though. Me like that. We're not talking about that. We're not talking about that. Back to the video. Rachud!
it just me and my big gun.
Yeah.
Fuck the system. Them can't
We don't want miss out. Go on.
me and my big gun.
Yeah.
Fuck the system. Them can't hire me. Cause we bring the heat like Miami.
Shit.
But we stay number one like the late.
Fuck the system. The dark side him bring the heat like Miami. You know Miami hot. Hot daddy. He night. You know about that. Yo, me not even talk too much. Run the tune.
Cause and we spray a couple shot from the haters. Put them in the papers. Express. You get a permanent bed rest.
Me rate the bar that if we never matches or a lighter or burn on this blood. People, he said spray a couple shot from the haters them. What them feel like? What them feel like? Burn bad mind. Cheat. Go on.
The way we live make the pussy get vexed. Them broken every day they get a you target checks. Every night me get sex. Fat pussy girl.
Okay, so we figuring something out right here, you know, because she brawling for have tattoo on the artist of you I must your wife that to bumbo cleats. I'm not even go extreme. I don't know, I love go extreme when it comes to the females them. So I go behave my little self today and watch because she go on.
Come, sink it in your belly, don't bother run. Every day me having fun, and anywhere me go me have a gun.
The dogs are sink it in her belly, don't bother run. Bumbo cleat. Eat right. Describe it to them, yo, people. Like up the video, dog. Go on.
Expensive lifestyle. Hilltop with the yacht and the gun, them tall on my side.
Mama outside. I did me say, hold on, I'll go for my interview. People know us reaction boss on DI Media. Check out on Instagram. I say DI Media TT. I did me say, go on. Go on. There you joke, run through. Females. You see that? It's like a chip in the man. Let me say woman say, ooh, woman. Go on.
Expensive lifestyle. Hilltop with the yacht and the gun, them tall.
Nah, like more some fit from Hilltop too. Hilltop, go on. Maybe when I shirt them in a reaction them man. Run through. Go on.
My side. Money on the mission, so every.
Me talk to you. No females in the video them. I'm stop giving them pretty idea. Like so no one talk to me. Alright? You can't especially give me them idea. You see you see that video different? Me look for no on Instagram. I find no. Me not sure if I find now. When you start look for me so like when you call me. Whenever you more take song, your body is calling. When try to calm down yourself. You can't look for me so like you want to come you want to take me away. Yeah. Me come and train that for you. Calm down yourself and stop giving me them pretty ideas. See me say boy. Yeah. Don't do it. Behave for yourself. Go on.
Decision is made with precision.
Yeah.
Man born with the vision of wealth. Some money fi make while me live on. All the strike.
Man born with the vision of wealth. Some money. Yo. Expensive lifestyle. Did me I say? We rate it. We like it. We like the move. We like the visuals. It clean. And the girls them outside. You know, so that me I pray already. That me I pray already. We love it. You have to understand. Tyrekevlogs don't play. Go on.
Them arm upon the clip, them loaded with wall cutter. Bullet melt your brain like salt butter. The rifle rise up.
So why she have here do her foot them so? And I go so with her foot them and I go round in a so. And I go so with her foot them and a bag of chips with her foot them like. That's how you want flexible. And so when I bend over so, and her back sinking like when snake a bend up and a bag at. How happened to Uno so? Not because it's alright. Go on.
And kill all fucker. Every weekend is a party.
Yeah.
Every top strap with a 40.
Yeah.
Every girl start get naughty.
They tell them start giving them yai there. Oh, me can't look on that one then because she have a tattoo. She see that, but you see how dog, you never see the Jahllano in the soda dog. Dog, look at the bottom, dog. Look at the bottom, brother. Me never see the Jahllano in the bottom too, dog. And two girls alone me see the dog. You don't see how me tan. No, you don't see how me tan. Me never see the Jahllano in the bottom. Bobo glad. Go on, dog.
That's when me disappear with a shorty.
Yeah.
MILBIL fully rich.
Yeah.
First in straight to rifling.
Even though me not wear tie. I like that tie there, but me not wear tie. I want Hilltop shirt though. No joke. Hilltop. Run through.
Caledonia, man a kill for the money. Them no afraid for drill. Expensive
Lifestyle.
Hilltop with the yacht and the gun. Them my side.
She call me. Tell her to stop calling me, you know.
Gun them tall enough.
Tell them to stop calling me, you know. But anyways, people, it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I hope you all enjoyed that video. I think I see a Kelly song just post a while ago too. Wow, I have to go check out that. I think I see Tyrekevlogs. I don't know. I'm not saying I get a notification from Kelly and Bevo Dog, so I go check it out and see what I go on. Big up for yourself. You don't know it's chop already. Peace.